Usually after installing a Windows update, default power plans can go missing, or you may see only one power plan. If this is also happening to you, here are a few troubleshooting steps to help solve the problem. Firstly, change the power mode from the Settings panel. Do it by opening Settings, select the System tab, scroll down, then click on Power and Battery. Now you have to click the drop-down menu for the power mode and select your preferred power plan. Additionally, reset the default power plan settings using PowerShell. To do so, open PowerShell with administrator rights, type in the following command, then press Enter. Now this command will reset default power schemes. So once you're done doing that, close the PowerShell and check for any improvements. And for your last resort, restore the missing power plan using the command prompt. Do that by opening command prompt with admin rights, type in the following command, press Enter. If it's successfully executed, type Exit, then press Enter to close the command prompt. Now you have to wait for the process to be completed. Next, open the control panel, go to Power Options, then check if the missing power plans are restored on your Windows computer. So that's what you should do on how to restore your missing default power plans in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.